In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set functional currency, also called home currency, in QuickBooks Online. If you're setting up your company file and need to make sure your default currency is correct, this is an important setting to review carefully. Your home currency is the main currency QuickBooks uses for reporting and accounting, so it should match the primary currency your business operates in. Also, keep in mind that enabling multicurrency is a permanent change, so you'll want to move through this process thoughtfully. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where many of your company settings are stored. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings to open the area where you can manage your business preferences. When the Settings window opens, look to the left-hand menu and click on the Advanced tab. This section contains several company-level options, including the currency settings we need. After that, scroll down until you find the Currency section. In that section, click the pencil icon to edit the current setting. Now you'll see the Home Currency option. Open the drop-down menu and select the functional currency you want QuickBooks Online to use as your main or base currency. This choice affects how your books are organized and how financial reports are displayed, so make sure you select the correct one for your business before moving on. Next, turn on the multi-currency switch, or check the multi-currency box, depending on the version of QuickBooks Online you're using. At this point, QuickBooks may show a warning letting you know that once multi-currency is activated, it cannot be turned off. That warning is important. Take a moment to confirm that this is really what you want before you continue. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes, then click Done to close the settings window and return to your dashboard. And that's it. Your functional or home currency is now set in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, it's a good idea to double-check your currency setting immediately after saving, especially if you're configuring a new company file. That helps ensure your reports, transactions, and future entries are aligned from the start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.